Hello everyone, welcome to Hughesistic's YouTube channel. In today's fast-paced work environment, organizations need to keep their team up to speed with the latest trends and methods for each industry. Our discussion today focuses on blending an immersive experience with learning management systems. With ever expanding businesses spreading the workforce across the globe and the need to scale up the employee skills, many industries realize the need to move from traditional LMS towards more experiential and immersive learning experience platform. As companies become more data driven, they would utilize data analytics to measure their performance and define personalized learning paths for employees. The latest trend in the e-learning industry focus on improving the user's collaborative learning experience by including innovative features like virtual and augmented reality-based learning, interactive videos, AI, and the integration of video conferencing tools. Such trends eventually promote user adoption, user engagement, information absorption, knowledge retention, and skill transfer. Let us look at the few technologies that are driving the e-learning journey across industries. Some organizations have started using these augmented, virtual, and mixed reality technologies to deliver immersive training for employees. Reality technologies embedded in LMS help instructors deliver a unique learning experience to learners, leading to improved knowledge retention. Experiential learning through MR involves a much deeper level of engagement that is immersive, real time, and interactive. This is highly valuable, particularly in education involving medical sciences, manufacturing, aviation, and other high risk environments. Learning management system with a robust data analytics engine and comprehensive dashboards help gather insightful information about learners' experience and visualize information. Big data analytics tools make it easy to gather and interpret data about learners' performance on a specific course and use it further to deliver more personalized training in the future. It also equips instructors with insight into whether their delivered training pieces prove to be effective or not, and if the learners are satisfied in terms of the return on investment they have made. The journey from learning management system to learning experience system is dependent on two parties: content or training providers and experience platform providers. Some of the platforms are Shareable Content Object Reference Model, XAPI or TinCan, Learning Tools Interoperability. LTI is gaining traction as an extended enterprise standard. LTI is similar to SCORM, but it doesn't require content to reside on the same server as an LMS. This provides B2B content seller the opportunity to maintain content in a central location and serve it on demand to any LTI compliant LMS upon request. SCORM offers a workaround to the file sharing problem through cross-domain stub files. Open sources like Moodle, Totera, and OpenEDX are becoming more acceptable across industries. Open source systems are robust, highly flexible, and generally provide high-end capabilities for a lower total cost of ownership than many commercial systems. Open sources are particularly attractive for extended enterprise scenarios because licensing fees are usually non-existent. A training business can scale rapidly without incurring any incremental licensing cost. Artificial intelligence can serve as a virtual mentor for learners to provide answer to their questions at any time and on any device. It changes enterprise learning's status quo with an incredible ability to deliver automated and truly personalized learning at scale to change the way people learn entirely. AI's ability to aggregate and curate internally and externally produced content brings real smartness to enterprise learning. It is vital to use a relevant content and media strategy to engage and provide output-driven video training with an immersive experience. Integration of widely popular video conferencing tools and mixed reality-based immersive content will be driving the market, as such solutions can provide an experience similar to a physical classroom. Cloud-hosted solutions are stealing the thunder from bigger talent-suit LMS vendors in getting traction from strong contenders like pure-play extended enterprise solutions and big industries. cloud LMS platforms are flexible enough to support any type of enterprise class solution, internal, external, or a combination of audience. These platforms offer modern turnkey solutions that are highly engaging, affordable, and scalable. Hughes System is empowering organizations in the learning space through our corporate learning management platform. It assists in providing a personalized learning experience and helps narrow down the skill gap. If you would like to know more, visit us at www.hsc.com or email us at info@hsc.com.